unique wooden art gifts that impress and inspire. Wooden art gifts have a timeless charm that makes them stand out among other types of gifts. Unlike mass-produced items, handcrafted wooden pieces carry a sense of craftsmanship, warmth, and individuality. Whether it's an intricately carved sculpture, a personalized wooden keepsake, or a functional yet artistic piece, these gifts impress and inspire because they blend natural beauty with human creativity. One of the reasons wooden art gifts are so special is the variety of styles they come in. Some showcase the raw, organic texture of the wood, while others are polished and refined with intricate detailing. Each piece tells a story, whether it's through the natural grain patterns of the wood or the way it has been shaped and designed by an artisan. The uniqueness of wooden gifts lies in the fact that no two pieces are ever exactly the same. Even if an artist tries to replicate a design, the wood's texture, knots, and natural imperfections make each creation one of a kind. A popular category of wooden art gifts is personalized engraved pieces. These could be anything from custom wooden plaques with heartfelt messages to engraved wooden keychains, photo frames, or nameplates. Personalized gifts carry sentimental value because they are tailor-made for the recipient. The engraving can include names, important dates, quotes, or even meaningful symbols that hold significance for the person receiving the gift. Another impressive wooden gift idea is hand-carved sculptures. Whether it's an abstract figure, a detailed animal carving, or a miniature version of a famous landmark, wooden sculptures make incredible decorative pieces. These works of art showcase the skill of the artisan, as carving requires precision and patience. A well-crafted wooden sculpture can be a conversation starter and an eye-catching element in any space. For those who appreciate both functionality and aesthetics, wooden clocks make an excellent gift choice. From sleek, modern designs to vintage-style timepieces, wooden clocks add character to any home or office. Some feature intricate laser-cut patterns, while others have a rustic appeal, showcasing the raw texture of the wood. The combination of wood and timekeeping creates a perfect balance of beauty and practicality. Another incredible wooden art gift idea is handmade wooden jewelry. Wooden rings, pendants, earrings, and bracelets are not only stylish, but also eco-friendly. Many artisans craft wooden jewelry using sustainable materials, making these accessories perfect for those who love nature-inspired designs. Some wooden jewelry pieces are combined with resin or gemstones to create stunning color contrasts, adding to their artistic appeal. If you're looking for something interactive, wooden puzzles and brain teasers are a fantastic choice. These handcrafted puzzles are designed to challenge the mind while providing a satisfying tactile experience. Wooden puzzle boxes, 3D interlocking sculptures, and classic brain teasers make for engaging and thoughtful gifts, especially for those who enjoy problem solving. For people who love home decor, wooden wall art is a magnificent option. Whether it's a carved wooden panel, a 3D layered wall hanging, or a piece featuring intricate geometric patterns, wooden wall art can transform any space. Many artists create custom pieces that reflect nature, cityscapes, or abstract designs, making each artwork unique and meaningful. Another creative wooden art gift that is gaining popularity is wooden music boxes. These beautifully crafted boxes play melodies when wound up, often featuring intricate laser-cut designs or delicate carvings. A wooden music box can be a deeply sentimental gift, evoking nostalgia and cherished memories. For a unique and practical gift, custom wooden phone stands and docking stations are great choices. These handcrafted stands can hold smartphones, watches, and other accessories in an elegant and organized manner. Some designs even feature engraved messages, making them both personal and functional. Wooden bookmarks are another simple yet thoughtful gift idea, especially for book lovers. Carved with elegant patterns, inspiring quotes, or delicate floral designs, these bookmarks add a special touch to the reading experience. Unlike traditional paper or plastic bookmarks, wooden ones are durable and can last a lifetime. For those who love wine, wooden bottle holders and wine racks make an excellent gift. From rustic-style racks to artistic sculptural holders, wooden wine accessories add charm to any kitchen or dining space. Some wooden bottle holders are cleverly designed to balance a bottle at an angle, creating an illusion of floating wine. Another fascinating wooden art gift is wooden globes and maps. These intricately designed pieces are perfect for travel enthusiasts. Whether it's a carved wooden world map for the wall or a handcrafted rotating wooden globe, these gifts capture a love for exploration in a sophisticated way. For a cozy and heartwarming gift, handcrafted wooden candle holders are a wonderful choice. Wooden candle holders can be minimalist or intricately designed, offering a beautiful way to display candles while creating a warm ambience. Some are carved into nature-inspired shapes like tree branches or mountain silhouettes, making them a stunning addition to any home. A special and artistic gift idea is wooden layered shadow boxes. These handcrafted pieces create a 3D effect by layering multiple wooden cutouts inside a frame. The designs can depict landscapes, animals, celestial scenes, or abstract art, making them truly unique decorative pieces. For an ultra-personalized gift, wooden name signs and monograms are a beautiful way to celebrate a loved one. These pieces can be crafted in elegant cursive script, bold block letters, or even in playful artistic fonts. They are perfect for nurseries, home offices, or front doors, adding a custom touch to any space. Another impressive wooden gift is wooden chess sets. A handcrafted chessboard with carved wooden pieces is both a work of art and a functional game set. Some designs incorporate intricate details, making each piece a miniature sculpture on its own. Chess lovers will appreciate the craftsmanship and uniqueness of a beautifully designed wooden set. For people who love nature, wooden planters and plant holders are fantastic gifts. These handmade wooden containers can hold succulents, small indoor plants, or herbs, bringing a touch of nature into any room. Some designs even include geometric carvings or burn patterns, making them stylish as well as functional. In conclusion, wooden art gifts go far beyond being simple presents. They are powerful expressions of creativity, craftsmanship, and thoughtfulness. Whether it's a personalized engraving, an intricately detailed sculpture, a functional yet artistic item, or a one-of-a-kind decorative piece, wooden gifts possess a timeless quality that makes them both meaningful and memorable. These gifts combine the beauty of nature with the skill and artistry of craftsmen, creating works that not only please the eye, but also stir emotions. What sets wooden art gifts apart is the unique character of each piece. The natural grain of the wood, the texture, and the subtle variations in color all contribute to the individuality of the gift. When you give someone a handcrafted wooden item, you're not just gifting them something functional or beautiful. You're offering them a piece of nature's story. Each wooden creation tells its own tale, whether through the wood's origin, its handcrafting process, or its final design. This uniqueness gives these gifts a special, almost personal quality. Wooden gifts are also a celebration of sustainability. Unlike mass-produced items, handcrafted wooden gifts often come from responsibly sourced wood and are created with care, ensuring they have minimal environmental impact. This eco-friendly aspect makes them even more meaningful, as the gift is not just thoughtful in its design, but also in its contribution to preserving nature. What truly elevates a wooden art gift is its lasting power. These gifts are not only durable, but also timeless. While other gifts may fade or lose their significance over time, a handcrafted wooden gift continues to age gracefully, developing character and charm. Whether displayed as a work of art or used for everyday purposes, a wooden gift can last for generations, becoming a cherished family heirloom. The thoughtfulness behind choosing a wooden gift is evident in every detail. From the care in selecting the wood to the precision in carving, each piece is a testament to the time and effort spent creating something special. A wooden gift is a way of telling someone that they are truly valued and that you've taken the time to choose something that reflects their uniqueness. These gifts also carry deep sentimental value. A personalized engraving, for instance, can make the gift even more intimate, ensuring it carries emotional significance. As time passes, the wooden piece becomes a part of the recipient's story, holding memories that grow even more precious with the years. Whether given for a birthday, anniversary, wedding, or simply as a gesture of appreciation, a wooden art gift is a meaningful way to show someone that they matter. Its beauty, durability, and personal touch leave a lasting impression that cannot be replicated by mass-produced items. When you give a handcrafted wooden gift, you're not just offering an object. You're offering something with soul, something that connects the giver to the recipient in a way that words alone cannot express. In a world filled with fleeting trends and disposable items, a wooden art gift stands as a symbol of permanence, quality, and thoughtfulness. It is a gift that transcends time, reminding us of the beauty of nature and the artistry that goes into creating something truly special. Whether it's a small token or a grand gesture, a wooden art gift has the power to make moments unforgettable and to create lasting memories.